Welcome again to J Travel. Let's travel. Now we are walking towards the Pang Sua Park Connector. As we can see the trees planted on the left and the right side of the park connector walkways. In it we can enjoy the lush greenery, the fresh air, and the blue waters reflecting the sky with its clouds hovering over it. In the morning it might be better to walk here because it is much cooler and refreshing. I walk during 12 noon, so it's quite hot and it's very so cold that you will sweat a lot during this time. Singapore is a humid country, so it's better to bring your own water or umbrella if it rains during your walking here. It is quite a long trail of walking, and it is shared with a bicycle and also walking path. You will see me here walking along this road and enjoying the breeze and the view of the walkway of the park connector here in UT. So you can see the waters flowing to it and the grass growing on the sides of each of the bank of the river. One time I spotted an animal called monitor lizard also hovering over the waters here and swimming and enjoying the view. You can see the MRT of Singapore passing gracefully above the waters and above the park connector. This is the best place to relax, to enjoy, to bring your family. You can see on the trees birds and their nests also, and the canal, which is in turn the river here in UT, is still quite clean and refreshing. There is no smell, although the industrial area is on the left side. We can see the birds, the tiny birds flying around and enjoying the peaceful view of this riverside here in UT. There we can see the industrial in the left side, but they are organized well, and there is no poisonous waters or trash had been thrown into the river, and the government is strict in protecting all of this. Here are some of the trees that were planted along the walkway in the park connector, and some of the people cycling even at this time, and the enjoyable view and magnificent view of skies created by God for us to remember that God created all things, and without His power there is nothing. This is the Pang Sua Park Connector. From Bukit Panjang, which is the Pang Sua Pond, if you remember in my previous video, please watch it here in J Travel. That Pang Sua Pond, the river flowing through it and the canal is connected to this canal here. So it is a long walkway from the Pang Sua Pond in Bukit Panjang towards UT Pang Sua Park Connector. So you can see the arts in the city and how the people design the place. Visit Pang Sua Pond and enjoy your travel here in J Travel. Let's travel.